You looking for boobies.
What are you doing? Tickle. The tickle.
Gotta be some in there somewhere.
It tickles. It tickles. It tickles.
I'm gonna mute that for a minute. Ooh, watch your fingers.
He's a tickle.
You had to pick your armpit at those tickles.
That's my funny mode. Don't in my pants. What are you doing? No. Oops. This thing is hard to climb. Oh. Ow.
You know, watch, because he will bite. Chewy. Chewy.
Joey.
Owie, owie, owie. Ow! That's why his mama made him go.
Why? Because of biting?
Yeah, that's all he does is bite. He don't suckle, he bites.
No. Oh.
He's impatient.
What
Actually, I think
are you doing to my pants?
I don't...
Here. Okay. He put me here and here.
Mm-hmm.
Right on the same
No.
Right on the same finger.
It's just like how Romeo used to lay on you all the time, huh?
Ah, you just... Well, look at that little fur. Don't eat me.
Mm-hmm.
My pants?
No.
I have those chocolates. Those beans.
Mm-hmm.
And the candy apple. What are you doing?
Where's your crackers?
There. You want to eat them?
I'm wondering if he will. Wait, what about you?
What is he doing?
It's chomping on it.
He's
You
jumping.
can't have it all, though.
Oh. Then give me it.
Here, hold it. You hold it. Oh, he is eating it, little turd.
He is a turd.
He's like, yeah, I'll take that. Give him more cracker.
Are you like, more cracker?
Not all of it.
Oh,
I don't want him to choke on it. Just let him bite it.
Give me.
That's probably what he was smelling, is crackers on you, since we know that you
I'm a mess now.
wipe your hands on your shirt.
Oh, I dropped it. Now can I eat the whole thing? Don't put my finger. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. My pants are a mess.
He's hungry. Yeah, he'll take crackers.
I have the hat in red.
He likes crackers. Pick up the little crumbs and give it to him.
No, poop. He'll bite my fingers.
You can get it in there without trouble.
Checker.
Wait till he's ready, though. I think he's still got some in his mouth.
Like,
Well, we know he likes cheese crackers.
yeah. We should feed him it. Like, no, I would eat it by myself. I'm a big person. You baby pig.
He just needs to soften it. Hey, at least he's eating. Yeah, I see it. I seen it swish around in there.
Why did he do this? That's silly. What does that say? On my TV, MUTING.
Muting.
What?
I muted that so we could hear you and Piglet. Chewy. Yeah, look at him.
His name should be Chewy.
Baxter's his real name, but Chewy's his nickname.
Oh, he's like, gimme! Like, gimme! I don't have it.
Ouch!
Why?
You better have another cracker ready.
Yeah. Before I eat my pants off.
Just don't give him the whole cracker. Look at him sitting there.
Gimme. Oh, he likes it. He did chew on it.
Whoa! Jesus! That's on video. It's going to be on YouTube now.
No! No.
You probably get more hits because you tooted.
No. Wait. Yes,
He took the whole thing.
yes, give it to me!
Well, he's chewed it up.
She'll probably puke it out. Ooh. Oh, there it is.
Oh my god. Seriously?
What?
You stink.
Give me the whole cracker! Give me the whole cracker! Give me the whole cracker! I can't see because of that light. Oh, not that. Give me the cracker. Give me the whole cracker! He like bit it. He like bit a lot. What are they doing? Like,
Well, he's trying to chew it.
he's like, leave me alone! I still. Oh, okay. Chewy, cutie pie. Hey,
That's a perfect name for him. It's Chewy.
yeah, because he chews a lot. Give that cracker back. Eat it! Eat it! Eat the cracker! Eat the cracker, not eat.
Aww.
Oh, he has a cute face. I don't have it. It's down there.
He's like, well, get more. What's going on? You want your whole bag? Watch, I bet you he'd go right in there.
Oh. Or just eat the bag. I want to eat the bag. I want him. Open it. Brody loves it. Can I eat this
Oh,
now?
jeez.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh. It's like, I want it. How do I pick him up? I need to think for a minute.
He's probably done.
Yeah.
He probably wants some more milk. Probably wants milk now.
Can I feed him?
No, he's done. He's rested. He's ready to rest.
Or he's ready to eat my pants off. He's
Looking for more boob.
No. No hands. No fingers. No fingers.
After that dry cracker, I need some milk.
He's gonna fall up.
He's like, the struggle is real.
Don't hit my pants. No.
Ugh.
No hitting pants. No. I gotta get through here anyway. Like, oh, darn it. I can't get through. What do I do with that?
I'm out of here. I'm going to find milk. I don't have no milk there.
Like, oh, he goes behind you.
Yeah, let's see what he does. He's going to see Boo Boo. I'm going to go see Boo Boo. Oh, no, he's coming back.
No. We're like, oh, I'm
Hi,
picking
Boo.
it. I think I'm picking.
Hey, no biting.
No biting. No bite foot. No bite foot. No bite foot.
Watch out, Boo.
Well, he's gonna bite
it's
you
not about
again.
Yeah, he's going to bite me.
No, Chewy, no biting. No, Chewy, no biting. Tell me if he bites you again. I'm looking for crackers right now. Oh.
I'm going to conquer.
How do I get over here? Oh, he took the whole cracker. He's like, nah.
Boo's like, what about me?
Help yourself, Boo Boo.
You better give him one because he'll eat the whole bag. Oop.
Oh. He's like,
Seriously.
Here. Look. It's on my head! It's on my head! It's on my head! Don't look at my head! Oh, yay! It's a cracker.
Let's see if he fixed the belly rubs. Oh no, he's seen a cracker. Oh.
No! Oh, I got it! Wait, no, I didn't. I didn't taste anything! It's not a taste cracker!
I need milk.